In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Heroes Battlegrounds. You might have seen some articles or videos claiming you can redeem codes in the game. However, as of now, there is no working code redemption feature in Heroes Battleground. Some articles mention a possible method to redeem codes. Launch Heroes Battlegrounds on Roblox. Click on the chat button in the top left corner. Enter a working code in the chat box. Press enter to redeem. But does it actually work? As of now, this method doesn't work, and there is no official way to redeem codes in the game. The developers may add a code redemption system later. If that happens, I will make another video updating you all. That's it for now. Sadly, there are no working codes in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.